Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to verify USCIS email notifications in 2026. If you're not receiving updates or want to make sure your alerts are working properly, this guide will help you fix it step by step. Yeah, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you are using the official site to keep your account secure. Now sign into your USCIS online account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once you're logged in, go to your account dashboard and open the Profile or Settings section. Next, look for the Notifications or Email Preferences option and click on it. This is where your alert settings are managed. Now check if your email address is correct and active. If it's wrong or outdated, update it immediately. After that, make sure email notifications are turned on for case updates, messages, and alerts. Next, go to your email inbox and look for a verification email from USCIS. Open it carefully and click the verification link inside. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder and mark it as not spam if needed. Once verified, you should start receiving official USCIS updates directly in your inbox, and that's it. Your USCIS email notifications are now verified and working properly. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.